Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. For today's video is papunta tayo ng beach. Today is Sunday and today the weather is sunny day daw, sabi ni Alexa. So guys, ngayon papunta tayo ng beach kung anong meron. Siguro maraming tao ngayon kasi ang ganda ng weather. So guys, please like my channel and subscribe guys. And that's all. And see you later guys in the beach. Dito na lang pala ako nag-intro sa labas guys kasi nakalimutan ko sa bahay. So, wala namang tao. So, dito ako mag-intro. Sige, bye. Dami na palang sasakyan dito. Ganda ng ano ngayon, weather. Dapat pa nakaga. Patawid tayo, ang daming sasakyan ngayon Alam mo, hayop niya. Ang dami ng tao sa sa labas. Yeah. Itong bus na to, ito yung sasakyan ko mamaya. Free lang kasi pag weekend. Patay ako nito maligo, malamig pa pala. Tingnan natin mamaya pag malamig, hindi ako maliligo kaya magano lang. Mag-swimsuit lang ako pero hindi ako naliligo. Ano yan? What? Sana all. Ano yan? Nakakakita lang ang swimsuit. Hindi sabi nga, feel ko ang lamig ng ng hangin. My God. What if nakahubad ka na, diba? Sobrang lamig na siguro. Kung punta ka dito para mag-aral ng culinary, ayan. Ayan siya, Ayan, culinary. Kung gusto mo mag-aral ng dito ng culinary, meron dito banda sa amin malapit. Ayan. Ito siya, Ayan. Kung gusto mo mag-aral ng culinary, chief hospitality barista, ayan. Gusto mo mag-aral ng culinary dito. Kaya lang, sobrang mahal pag nag-aaral ka ng culinary. Ang mahal ng tuition fee niya guys. Sobra. Pero at least, di ba, international ka nag-aaral ng culinary. Bongga. Siguro makaka-afford lang yun. May mga pera, mag-aaral dito ng culinary. Yan si Mendoza, di ba? Nag-aaral yan sa ibang bansa ng culinary. Kadaghan pa niya pam dari sa likod na ako. Daghan na jud guys. Mga patanon mo nito mga binata pa ko. Sarado siya man. Bibili ako ng coffee lagi. Mga batan ko. Gulo ng mga binatang to ba? Sa Australia lang kakita na nagtiniil. Sir. So ngayon, ang oras ko is 1:13. So ang bus afternoon ngayon is 1:16. 3 minutes. Darating yung bus.
A few moments later.
So here we are in the beach, guys. So may kasama pala ako ngayon. Foreigner yung kasama ko ngayon, guys. So mapapalaban tayo nito ng English. No wind's cold.
Yeah, it's cool holiday.
Yeah. Yes.
Where would you like to stay?
No, that's it. It's up to you where you want to go. There? Or,
Yeah, I think
yeah.
so. Really. Let's go. Here is
Yeah?
sounds good. Yeah.
Yes. It's empty.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Is it the only camera?
There are mga sexy pretty. This is my You're pretty than me then.
As a neighbor, and you are trying to explain and find a place for me to look. Oh yeah.
That's it. That's alright.
Photo and video. Both?
Yeah. Yeah. Picture and video.
Yeah. And no phone.
No.
No.
That's why it's nice this one because it's very handy and like the phone is bigger, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, right?
Yeah. Yeah. The ocean. You know Gympie Terrace?
Yeah.
Yeah? Gympie Terrace, end of the Gympie Terrace. This
Yeah.
point
Mm-hmm.
comes here.
Oh.
Yeah. And you can walk from here after that. In here, maybe there or here,
Mm-hmm.
somewhere. Here.
Okay.
After tour. Are you traveling with your partner?
Yes, when I'm going there like in Koroy and
Koroy?
driving. Yeah, I'm driving.
You're perfect.
I'm driving, but
Perfect.
my license now is already learners. Not
Oh yeah, okay.
yeah, I can't drive my own. We have somebody.
You can't? Oh.
Yeah, because if you are learners, so
Oh,
you
yeah,
don't
you
need
need
to.
to.
Yes,
Yeah. Oh.
you need somebody that we have a full
Yeah,
license.
Yeah, yeah. You can pick me.
If you were going, you and me.
Yeah, we can go I mean, the bus is so cheap.
Yeah.
It's 50 cents.
Yeah.
So I prefer to go by bus everywhere because no need to pay to.
That's true, yeah.
Yeah, but if you have to go, if you go
Okay.
A few moments later.
So anyway guys, kakauwi ko lang nang galing ng beach. Gabi. Whole day talaga ako sa beach. Tingnan nyo yung outfit ko today. Yan. Yan siya. Yan yun na yung ano. Dito wala kasing ano kung anong ano ka or maitim ka or pangit yung katawan mo, at least nakatopes. Tawag. So, yeah, guys.